Put in the chamber. Block. Good. Chamber. Say it. Chamber.
Chamber.
Block. Chamber. Block. Chamber. Block. Nice and high. Way over there. Chamber. Good chamber. Block. Chamber. And across. Middle blocks, okay? Ball down. Hide the ball. And make it towards you. Like windshield wipers. Down. Up. Down. Up.
This is my favorite part about it.
Up. There you go. Can you do that, Hannah? Down. Up. Down.
Yes, you can, Hannah.
Clean in the window.
And stop. So the ball needs to stop right in line with your shoulder. Go down. Up. Stop. Down. Up. All right. Ready? Chamber. Across. Block. Chamber. Across. Block. Chamber. Across. Block. Is your hand getting tired? One more. One more before we switch hands. Ready? Low block towards the nose. Towards the nose. Towards the nose. Big circles. Towards the nose. Towards the nose. There you go, Allison. Towards your nose. Towards the nose. This way. Oh, hold on to the ball. Good. This way. This way.
This is towards the nose.
Go the other way. This way. Big circle.
This
Good
is towards
job.
your head.
Around.
Up.
And around. Keep going, Carolyn. This way. Towards the nose. This is the hardest one. Towards the nose.